Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Let's make stuffed capsicum today. To start with, remove core and seeds of capsicum. Roast these at 180 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's start with filling prep. Grind some onions and green chilies. Add some olive oil in a pan. Now slowly add all the spices. First is mustard seeds, dried curry leaves, you can use fresh as well, cumin seeds. Mix everything well together. Now add all the rest of the spices. Turmeric powder and coriander powder. Mix everything well together and now add onions and green chili. Cook onion for some time in oil and spices. Now add tomatoes. So here I'm using canned tomatoes. You can use fresh and you can make a paste. Add salt at this stage. Add diced potatoes. Potatoes are nutrient rich, providing essential vitamins, minerals such as vitamin C, B6, potassium, also rich in dietary fiber. Myths about potatoes are that they cause weight gain and unsuitable for diabetics. Portion control and preparation are key. They can be a part of balanced diet when consumed sensibly. Add spinach and cook on low heat until potatoes are soft enough or cooked well. See capsicum after first baking. Once stuffing is cooked well, now add one of my favorite, kasuri methi. It really adds distinctive flavor to the dish. Now filling time. Once filling completed, we're gonna bake it again at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You can reduce the time. If you feel it's nice and soft, you can use the fork to check that. And here it is, the nutritious dish that combines the flavor of bell pepper or capsicum, potatoes, spinach, onions, and tomatoes. Your wholesome, colorful meal with a balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Adding spinach provides a healthy dose of iron and other essential nutrients, making this a great choice for those looking to incorporate more vegetables and nutrients into their diet. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.